How does a HVAC company's online reputation affect its revenue and longevity? Review is revenue. Of all the items that can make or break a HVAC company's revenue and longevity, one of the top items is its online reputation. As per a survey by Deloitte, 90% of executives said that reputation was the most significant risk area for a company. That makes Google reviews for your business not just important, but imperative. 88% of executives admitted that their companies were actively managing reputation risk. What about you? How does a good online reputation for your HVAC company help your revenue? A good reputation and positive reviews helps your target audience of potential customers looking for your services trust you more and trust you enough to call and to book appointments for the high revenue services from you. 95% of consumers, i.e., your HVAC customers, report trusting a company with a positive reputation. We saw what executives think about a company's reputation. What about consumers? What do they think about your HVAC company's online reputation? A study by Trustpilot reveals that consumers ranked a positive internet reputation as the #1 most important factor when determining which business to frequent, even above the quality of products and services. So, consumers are choosing your company and your HVAC services if your reviews are positive over that of someone else, even if they have better, cheaper, or more fancy offers. On the other hand, all your advertising dollars are a waste. If potential HVAC customers go to your Google My Business and find A. Your number of reviews to be inadequate. B. Star rating below par. C. That you have negative reviews. D. You are not responding as you should. E. Your reviews are not seen where they look for most often. F. And not displayed in ways that are attractive and reassuring to them, thus forcing them to go elsewhere, to the next guy. That's how reviews translate into dollars. When 3/4 of your customers trust a HVAC company more, if it has positive reviews, you want to find a way to get more positive reviews in Google My Business reviews. In later videos, we will talk about how to get Google reviews easily. Want an immediate 10% increase in revenue today, before you even get started? If a quick 10% increase in revenue sounds good to you, then your thoughts should center around how to get Google reviews for my business. Image and reputation are just as important as finances and associations. Germany Kent. The impact of positive online reviews for business. For individuals and organizations alike, a reputation is far easier to destroy than it is to build. Andrew Griffin. Over 90% of people say that positive reviews make them more likely to frequent a business. Want repeat HVAC customers and referrals? Focus on how to get Google reviews for my business. 86% feel that online business reviews are as trustworthy as personal recommendations from friends or family. So online reputation with online reviews has now become the new word of mouth, since 85% of consumers, your customers, trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. There is no advertisement as powerful as a positive reputation traveling fast. Brian Kozlow. In the next video, we will take a look at how to deal with negative online reviews and tips on how to get more reviews on Google and get reviews for Google My Business. Remember, review is revenue. When you're not around, your reputation will speak for you. Frank Sonnenberg. And remember what the good book says, your reputation goes before you, making room for you. So, if you want more customers for your HVAC services, start by getting more reviews for your practice. Go ahead and request your HVAC company's online presence report we are offering at no charge to you, for a limited time, to help you see where the vulnerabilities are and what you can do to beat the competition. For best results and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings for potential new customers to trust you and book the high revenue procedures with you. Wishing you success, on behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off.